Hello UKG class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. Students, tell me what we have learned in our previous class. In our previous class, we have learned about these shapes: rectangle, triangle, circle, square. So students, these are 2D shapes. These are 2D shapes. इन shapes को हम पिक नहीं कर सकते, ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ओनली ड्रॉ करेंगे, पिक नहीं कर सकते. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट 3D shapes. Students, now look at this shape. Which shape is this? Now look at this shape. Which shape is this? This is cone shape. Which shape is this? Cone shape. Now student, look at this object. What is this? Which shape is this? And what is this? This is ice cream cone and it is cone shape. It is cone shape. Now student, look at this shape. Now student, look at this shape. Which shape is this? This is cube shape. Which shape is this? Cube. Now student, look at this object. What is this? This is dice. And which shape is this? This is cube shape. This is cube shape. It has 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It has 6 squares. So we say this is cube shape. Now students, look at this shape. Which shape is this? This is sphere shape. Which shape is this? Sphere. Now student, look at this object. Which object is this? This is ball. And which shape is this? This is sphere in shape. Sphere shape. Now student, look at this shape. Which shape is this? This is cylinder shape. ये देखो cylinder के जैसा दिख रहा है. This is cylinder shape. Now student, look at this box. Which shape is this? This is cylinder in shape. It has round and flat sides. देखो ऊपर round शेप है और मिडिल में से ये फ्लैट शेप है. सो इट इज सिलेंडर शेप. आपने ये बॉक्स देखो अपनी जो घर में किचन में मम्मा चाय और चीनी पत्ती रखती है ना, तो आप उस बॉक्स की शेप देखना इसी जैसे होगी. सो दिस इज सिलेंडर शेप. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर 3D शेप्स. दिस इज कोन शेप. दिस इज cube shape. This is cylinder shape. And this one is sphere shape. So we can pick these shapes. So these are 3 dimension. It has 3 dimension. So these are 3D shapes and these are 2D shape. इनको हम पिक नहीं कर सकते 2D शेप्स को, और 3D शेप्स को हम पिक कर सकते हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लुक एट दिस बुक. दिस इज योर रिपल बुक एंड दिस इज योर बुक 1. नाउ दिस इज योर पेज नंबर 24. नाउ लुक एट दिस 2D shapes and 3D shapes. 2D shapes. There are triangle, square, rectangle and circle. So these are 2D shapes. Now look at this 3D shapes. What is this? This is cone. And look at this. This is hat. और hat की कैसी shape है? Cone shape. And this is ice cream cone. मैम ने आपको ice cream cone दिखाया था ना? So it has cone shape. Now look at this. This is cube shape. And what is this? This is box. और box की shape कैसी है? Cube shape. This is dice. और dice की shape कैसी है? Cube shape. And which is this? This is ice cream cubes. So what is the shape of ice cream cubes? Cube shape. Now look at this shape. This is cylinder shape. Now look at this object. This is can, soda can. And which shape is this? This is cylinder in shape. And which one is this? This is mug. And which shape is this? Cylinder shape. This is also can. So this is cylinder in shape. Now students, look at this. This is sphere shape. And look at this balloon. It has sphere shape. And this is the wool. This is yarn. Okay, yarn को क्या बना रखा है? Yarn की shape कैसी है? Sphere shape. Look at this. This is ball. And it has sphere shape. So student, after watching this video, you have to complete. After watching this video, you have to complete this page number 29. You have to complete your page number 29, and after this 30. Now look at this page. Which shape is this? This is cube shape. और cube shape में कौन सा कलर करना है आपको? Red color. And now look at this. This is cone shape. और cone shape में कौन सा कलर करोगे आप? Blue color. And which shape is this? This is sphere shape. और sphere shape में कौन सा कलर करना है? Green color. And which one is this? This is cylinder shape. And it आपको कौन सा कलर करना है? Yellow. Now look at this. Which shape is this? This is cube shape. This is cone shape. और cone shape में कैसा कलर करना है आपको? Blue color. Which shape is this? Balloon है ये. balloon की shape कैसी है? Sphere. और इसमें कैसा कलर करना है आपको? Green color. What is this? This is dice. और dice की shape कैसी है? Cube shape है, इसलिए आप उसको कौन सा कलर करोगे? Red color. So student, in this way you have to complete your page number 30.